Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Firstly, insert wood dowel into board 7. Step 2. Using CSK screw M5X 40mm, attach board 1 with board 3, board 4, board 5, board 6. Step 3. Attach the white PVC pipe and attach to board 7. Step 4. Attach board 2 to the cabinet body. Step 5. Paste the white stickers on board 2. Then, attach the backboard using nails. Step 6. Install hinges using CSK screw M3.5X 12mm on board 8. Step 7. Attach hinges of board 8 with cabinet body. Step 8. Install door handles. Then, paste the white stickers on board 1. For hinges adjustment, please refer to the video attached at the top right corner. Congratulations, you have done assembling your wardrobe.